At Husqvarna, we have always listened carefully to professional chainsaw users. Our aim is to take their experience and build it into our products. We want to be able to meet their ambitious demands for efficiency, safety, ergonomics, and to fulfill their wish not to cause unnecessary harm to the environment. In this way, we have built up an extensive knowledge bank over the years, and we want to share it. Because even if you only use your saw once in a while, you can benefit a lot from knowing how the professional users do it. The advice we give you is general. There may be specific regulations in your country, and it's imperative that you follow them. The saw's appearance and the placement of its controls can vary according to the model. Always read the instructions before you start using the saw.